Happy brand new day, peeps. It's over. Okay. I think we're live on TikTok. Nachi. Trade system. Good morning, peeps. Gee, I wonder if anyone told y'all about having a record high before it happened. Not after. I don't understand the news stories. NAS closes at record high. S&P, really? Oh, if it's not at record high, it'll be at record high. If US 30 isn't at record high, it'll be at record high. And I guess my wrong trade, I don't know if you guys remember Clown Boy, who said that I was 100% wrong on my 4-hour buy or 2-hour buy, whatever it was, and ended up hitting a record high. Yeah. Dumbasses in this world. Good morning, good morning, good morning. So it's over. It's over. Oh. I don't have any idea what the market's doing right now, by the way. Some of you are so different with things. You think that I spend hours and I don't look at the charts. I mean, if I look at the charts, is this strictly for trying to get the robot figured out and worked out? That is the only reason. I think I spent hours and days looking at the charts for you. I woke up 5 minutes ago. That's how much I look at the charts. I woke up 5 minutes ago. I have no clue of what's going on with the charts. I don't study them. I don't I'm not preparing for the show and wondering where it's going to go. What I see, I call. It just so happens what I see happens to be pretty fucking accurate. NAS close. Gee, guys, anybody here again? Remember, anyone here calling it to ricochet and go to record highs? Anyone at all? Anyone? All right, I think we're live. Let's see. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. I have no idea what to call this morning. You have to give me a minute on that. Good morning. News doesn't matter. Your stupid RSIs don't matter. Hearing the news after it happens doesn't matter. Why does it matter? NAS closed at record high. Why didn't they tell us that it was going to record high before it happened? Oh, because we're the only ones with safety trade system. We're the only ones that know where it's going. NAS closes at record high. Were you saying that when you're saying how bad Trump's tariffs were, you stupid F-tards? The fuck out of here. Fake way of trading. Come to the winning side. How about y'all come to the safety trade system? I can't wait till every last person who doubted the system admits that they were fucking wrong. I can't wait. I love shoving the truth down people's throats. And you guys better be grateful I am. Once this robot is done, I don't know. We'll see how often I come on the lives. You guys better appreciate the fuck out of me while I'm here. All right, I think we're done. Let's see. Are we live on YouTube? Yes or no? Oh, yeah, we are. Safety trade system. Step up. 27 of you watching and 9 thumbs up. It's going to be a real short live, peeps. Woo! I suggest a lot more thumbs up or I'm out of here. Good morning, Ken Louder. Number 1. Good morning, David Windigett. Good morning, Old School Mick. Good morning, Not Today, Orlando Walder. I know he's saying blessed morning. Thank you for the blessings, Orlando. Blessings to you. Good morning, Martin Lewis. Good morning, George. Good morning, Sog and Yard Dog. I'll be at work in 5 minutes. Well, I hope you get retired in fucking 5 days. Good morning, Bill Grath. Good morning, Sally C. Oh my God, I got money sounds? I don't even know what the money sounds are for. What did they said a year ago? Hold on. Let's see what the money sounds are. What the fuck? What do we got going on? Oh, owner reversal being reset. Okay. I'm like, what the hell? What the hell? Hey, for those of you who remember, did I tell you that NAS was going to close at record highs before it happened? Yes or no? Ken remembers. Good morning, Jason Lyons. Good morning, Michelle Glow. What's up, Michelle Glowinski? Dan Sosa. Good morning, Gary Ramundo. Thank you, George. We appreciate you too, me and Bree and Keith. Good morning, Janet Enkamp. Let's go, peeps. Do you remember me? This is recent history now. You're going to force me to bring out some old lives because I'll do it. I'll do it. Market make us. It's over. Ditch. Okay, here's the headline. Right? This is the headline that came out yesterday. There it is. NASDAQ closes at record high. Oh, no, I'm not letting this dead horse die. Who remembers me calling this out before it happened? And to be clear, and if I don't know if SPX hit it. Hasn't hit it yet. It will hit its record high again, just so we're fucking clear. And if US 30 hasn't hit its record high again, it will. All right. So type out a 7, say yes, say thank God. I don't care what you do, but give credit where credit is due. I don't want to hear this shit that, oh, no one told us. I didn't know. I didn't. What do you mean? How would anyone know that? How would anyone know that? How could he have possibly known that? Yep, not only did I call up, I explained why. I'm going to teach you how right now. Dan Sosa, yes. Good morning, Gurilliano. Sally says, I remember. Michelle says, yeah, time and time again, says Orlando Walters. What's up, Lachey? Good morning, Dan. All right, I'm done with my music. I needed that this morning. I swear it's better than a cup of coffee. I never drank coffee in my life. Actually, it's not true. I don't know if Michelle was around back then. But when I was really young, like 10, 11, 12, I would sneak coffee My mom would be drinking it in the morning. I smelled so damn good. And I would try to drink it. It was the tastiest pile of shit I ever tasted in my life. So I tried it again and again and again. It left such a bad taste in my mouth. I haven't drank a cup of coffee. I haven't drank a sip of coffee since I was probably 15. Ever. Oh, there's the robot. Oh, gee. This is the this. Oh my God. Look what you're looking at besides history. Look what the fuck you're looking at. Here's the robot call on a 30-minute chart, just so we're clear, which means a 1-hour buy stop's coming up really soon, which means they're going to dip it soon. Okay, here's the robot. My fully automatic trading robot called the Breebot is coming to life. Okay, let's take a look at the robot and see if it called this out. Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. You know it's over. Now let me see something. Oh, 24 out of 28. Okay, we'll stay alive. I remember nobody has 3 years of accurate calls. I don't blow smoke up people's ass, but it's just facts. Thank you, Martin Lewis. Correct. Got to go. Can't wait to retire from Pharaoh. Nice, Yard Dog. I hope you can retire soon, and I hope everyone listens to me. God, please bless everyone so that they can retire and work only if they want to by using my safety trade system. Amen. Thank you, God, for hearing me in Jesus Christ's name. Amen. So be it. Good morning, Grant. Okay. So not only did I call it, but the great Keith Palmer put some respect on that man's name, was able to code in this. The blue line, started to look for it. The green line, called it. This is the actual call in. Is price action higher than 23,639? And did it go up to 23,850? Take profit, hit. Stop loss, not even come close to touching. So the robot called in a trade. I showed it to you the other day, kind of mistakenly. I don't want to give it away. You would have entered the trade right here. You'd have got out of the trade right here. 229 pips up. You would have put $1 on it. This would have been your results of that dollar. Listen to me. You'd have gotten in here, right here. Now, it called it a little later because it's still stupid. I'm still trying to get the damn AI to work properly. You would have had 0 drawdown. Fuck anyone that says, I used to say, oh, there's 5 or 10 draw. There was no drawdown. 0 drawdown. You'd have put $1 on it. You'd be up $234 right now and going. $229 and going. $1. If you'd have put $10 on it, you'd be up $2,229 without any drawdown. If you would have took a demo trade.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Is anyone catching on? Is anyone catching on? How much would you have if you put $100 on that robot trade? Go ahead. Someone figure it out. $100. Come on. If $10 times 229 equals 2,000, what's 100 times 229? $22,900. If you were to put $100 into this trade, you'd have $22,900 demo dollars. If you were to put $1,000 on this trade, no one would have done. You would have had 0 drawdown in $229,000. This isn't Bitcoin. This isn't Litecoin. This isn't XRP. This is what I do on a daily, weekly, monthly, yearly basis, time and time again for you. And $1,000 to some of you isn't that much. $1,000 to some of you is a shit ton. $1,000 on this trade would have yielded you life-changing retirement. Well, you wouldn't be able to retire. Well, it'd have been a good push. $220,000 without a drawdown. Let me be clear on what I'm telling you. And I don't care if there's fucking news this morning. I'm teaching you something way more important than news. Listen to me. Demo trade only. Not a financial advisor, as if it's not over my screen everywhere. Listen to this. If you would have put, oh my God, I can't spell one fucking word right this morning. Would have put $1. Any of you can afford a fucking dollar. You would have had 0, motherfuckers. Well, I can't do it because there's drawdown and I'm stupid. I'm doing funded trader, making other people rich. You'd have had 0 drawdown. 0, motherfuckers. Sevens, if you understand, you would have had 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 drawdown. Am I clear? I'm not going forward until you speak up. You would have had 0. Don't tell me you would have. I have the fucking numbers now from the robot. You would have had 0 drawdown and made 200, and we'll just say 229, 230, $230. Okay? Facts. Period. Nothing about it. If you would have taken a $1,000 trade, right? 1,000. That's a lot. You would have lost $0 and made $230,000. I'm just saying. And I gave you these calls for free. And people still, why is he charging for what he does? And why is this? And why is that? And woe is me. And why do I never listen to him? Fuck out of here. How do you trade? Oh boy. Deep. Well, good morning, Deep L. What the fuck's this guy's name? How do you trade? Deep Blue. Good morning, Deep Blue. How do you trade NASDAQs with $100? Pepperstone. I don't know. How about Longhorn? Gee, I don't know. How about, let's see. Can you possibly go to Eagle FX? If you still had it, or go to Longhorn. Gee, I don't know. What about, you could name 100 MetaTrader 4 traders, MetaTrader 5 traders. Anything that's not in America where they're allowed to use 500 to 1 leverage, or some foreign exchanges, brokerage houses, they use 5,000 to 1 leverage. It's called a 0.01 lot size, or a 0.10 lot size, or a full 1.0 lot size. Did I answer your question for you? Deep Blue? See, people and their negativity. Oh, thank you, Dan. No news this morning. Thank you. So you can do a 0.01 lot size on any MetaTrader 4 account. I have, used to have dozens and dozens of them. You can also go over and start trading futures with Tradervite. You can also go over to Nadex and use binary options and trade small dollar amounts. Does that answer your question? Deep fucking Blue. Did I answer your question, Deep Blue, yes or no? It's over. Where could you possibly? How about Googling it? And you're welcome, Deep Blue. It's over. This is done on a daily basis, weekly basis for damn sure, monthly basis times a billion. Every fucking day we do this. Every fucking week we do this. Sometimes multiple times a day we do this. Now, is zero drawdown and 230 pips up excellent, outstanding, through the roof? I can't believe my fucking eyes, or D, all of the above? Go ahead. Everybody here that's a trader, Zilla, Janet, Dan, zero drawdown for you funded traders. And this is a fucking robot. My robot had called this trade. I told you about it the other day when it was called. Oh, hey, go back to the day. I said, hey, my robot just called a fucking trade again. I knew where it was going to a record high. David says D. Dan says through the roof. That's not a rhetorical question. All the above, correct, Nat, today. Not today, correct. For those of you who don't know, old school make DDD, correct. Just read it, and there it is. You can't say that this trade wasn't called. Just like you can't say that my robot didn't call this trade. Even earlier back here. What? Yeah, that's my robot. Upcoming Breebot, coded by the great Keith Palmer to the way I trade. It's taking in 6 indices, 3 different time frames, looking for this pink cross the blue, green, 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 red buy stop. It's all you have to do. It's all you have to do. You'll have a fill in the gap on the higher time frame. You'll have a smaller buy stop here on the lower time frame. This is the higher time frame over here. There it is. There's the call. You can't tell me. This is not repainting for those of you who know anything about trading. Repainting fucking indicators are the scourge of this earth. Fucking scam artists. There's the entry. There's your stop loss. There's your take profit. All of them are perfection except for the entry. It should have caught it a few pips earlier, but I'll get that worked out. This is a little kink. We'll get it. Printer going to be on all day long. These are my best days. Crash. This is when Kev's in. Can't wait for the rebot. I agree with you, Dan. All the above. Grow the system works great as it is now with the robot confirming for me. Sheesh. Gonna print. Yep. If all right, sort of that thing you don't mind getting. Yeah, the taxes. Jesus. Okay, let me just give you a hint. I don't care what anyone tells you. Whether you're trading and they say it's this percent, 21%, 26%, or that percent. Taxes, especially if you live in a state that has state taxes, period, are 50%, 51% technically. 50% of your money goes to taxes. I don't care what they try to tell you. You can write this off. You can write a 6,000 pound Forerunner off. You can write this business expense off. Your tax rate will be 50%. It's technically a one over. I don't care what anyone tells you. When you get up to the higher taxes, oh, you don't have a good tax lawyer, and you don't. I probably don't. Matter of fact, my accountant sucks. Yeah, Bree, and unlike all the other people who make shit tons of money, pay slightly over 50% of our monies to a partner that does nothing for us. I'm not talking about helping run our business. They're going to say, oh, well, they da-da-da. I get it. The government provides the military, blah, blah. I get that. What I'm saying is taking 50% of someone's money is too much money. Taking 50, it's technically like 51% of our money, making Literally, this is not exaggerating. Making more money than Bree and I do. I'm not complaining. Is not right. I'm thankful to God for what we make, but the federal government takes too much. I'm sorry. It's ridiculous. Oh, you need to do this. Well, we're just trying to be honest people and give the government what they do. Government, didn't spell that right. And yeah, it's too much. It's ridiculous. They just need to do away with the federal income tax. Do away with the federal income tax, which is illegal anyways, but I'm not going to get into that. And do a flat consumption based. These are just my opinions. And that's it. So if you don't spend money, you don't get taxed. You can keep, you know how much me and Bree would have, well, literally double our money. And yeah, we could be doing a lot more good with the money than the federal fucking government is. Now, some of you might get pissed at that. I don't care. Good morning, Arginus Luna. But that's just my opinion. And if anyone tells you, oh, well, your earnings aren't taxed on that, on what you earn, because there's this other tax and is bullshit, bull fucking shit, bullshit further, and they're telling you lies. When you start making decent money where you pay taxes in $500,000 a year, $1 million, well, we never hit $1 million in taxes, but you know, they're fucking out of control. Out of fucking control. I don't care. You guys can hate me. Oh, we need this. Get the fuck out of here. Ridiculous that we're paying the federal government on most all weeks. The government makes more money than we fucking do. Whatever. This isn't 12% tax rate like it used to be in. This isn't a 20% tax rate. Oh, there isn't a 50% tax rate. Oh, the fuck there isn't. Oh, the fuck there isn't. You start adding in all your matching taxes and this tax and that tax. Go fuck themselves. Ridiculous. It needs to go away, and they need to do a flat tax, consumption-based flat tax. Sorry for my rant, but that's what I'm at. Ken says I was trying to be funny. Good morning, Sam K. Robot, upcoming, Breebot, entry. This happened live. I remember going over and I was like, oh, well, da-da-da. And then this one popped up. I was like, what the fuck? There's a fucking trade? I thought, this is cool. There was the entry. I called it on the live. Go back to one of these days right around here. September 5th, 8th, somewhere right around there, wherever I noticed the trade. I was like, oh, there's a fucking trade right there. It's on a live. Oh, I assume the same email I used for you. I must say thanks, buddy. Yeah, you use the site. You only use one. It's in your rules. Please follow the rules closely. It tells you what email to use. Yeah, definitely use that same email. Just follow along with the rules. They're in there. All right. Oh, that was fun. Now, I have no idea where the marks go. Oh, but I do. Buy stop to record highs again. Take profit, 23,851 for NAS. Ding, ding, ding. Let's see if it's going down or up right now at the moment, though. How? Look, there's our buy stops with the fancy dancy Keith bot, semi-automatic trading, thanks to the Keith bot. The Keithinator. We already have buy stop, buy stop, buy stop. We're already going to record highs. Let's check out SPX. This SPX also, I think SPX the other day hit a record high. Don't quote me on that, but I could have swore it did. Let me see real quick. Maybe not. I think it did. If not, SPX record high will be hit in the next day or two. Let's see US 30. Has it hit its record high? I think it did. Yeah, record high. So here we go. Let's see. You know it's over. I think it did, but if it did it, it's going to go back up and hit a record high again. Record high being called for US 30. Record high being called for YM1. Record high being called for NAS 100. Record high being called for NQ1. Record high being called for SPX 500. Record high being called for ES1. Record high being called for gold, which hit it, by the way, just so we're clear. Look at gold go. I told you it was crushing through 30. I fucking told you a fucking 100 times, 1,000 times it was going past 3,500. Here it is at 3660. Oh my gosh. Record high for silver, as I called. By the way, why stop there? There will be a record high for Litecoin. Nike will go to a new record high. Target will go to a new record high. CVS going low, but it will go to a new record high. I see it dipping. Verizon, new record high. SCMI, SMC, whatever the fuck that thing is, new record high. PFE will hit a new record high. Starbucks will hit a new record high. Yeah, I see it's going down. I don't care. Flowrider will hit a new record high. Oxy will hit a new record high. TM will hit a new record high. Oh, it already has. Fuck. All right, well, TM already hit a record high recently that I called. You're welcome. ASML will hit a record high. It's almost there. By the way, that hit my, I got to go over these. ASML hit my next day. Look at this. Look at this fucking shit. Correct again on TM. Correct again on ASML. AT&T will hit a new record high. Bitcoin will hit a new record high. Ethereum will hit a new record high. Look at it. It's going to go straight up. Ethereum's going to the new record high. XRP will hit a new record high. It's on a daily buy. Oh my God. You want me to keep going? XLM will hit a new record high. Amazon just hit a new record high. I am correct again. Netflix, oh, I hate Netflix. It's so overvalued. Will hit a new record high. Nvidia, fuck it, will hit a new record high. J&J will hit a new record high. Is anyone listening? AMD will hit a new record high. Costco, yes, I see it's going down, will hit a new record high. McDonald's will hit a new record high. Microsoft, is anyone getting the hint here? Will hit a new record high. Hilton already has hit a new record high. Google will hit already has hit a new record high. Apple, this is all the ones I called out correctly, will hit a new record high. Tesla will hit a new record high. You want me to keep going? United, oh, it's going down. I see that. Will hit a new record high. NVO will hit a new record high. QCOM will hit, I think it just did. Never mind, hit a new record high. Disney will hit a new record high. Intel will hit a new record high. Match will hit a new record high. It's doing it right now before your very eyes. FedEx will hit a new record high. P&G will hit a new record high. Equix will hit a new record high, but I don't like that it's still going down right there. Hold on. Oh, no, it'll hit a new record high. JHX will hit a new record high. The worst name symbol in the history of trading, ED, will hit a new record high. And I don't care about ERUSD and there's no. So I'll go over all those again in a minute, but there they all are. No, but you guys go ahead and take fucking sell stops on US 30, silly ass people. Don't do it. Buy stop only for US 30. Buy stop only for YM1. Buy stop only for NAS. These are the people that drive me fucking shit. They drive me shit fucking crazy. What do? Oh, well, you could have a buy stop or a sell stop anytime. No, you cannot fucking have that. Let me be clear. All the symbols just be clear. Let me be clear. Let me be clear. Let me be fucking clear because some of you can't understand fucking English. Let me be 100% all the symbols I call are long-term buys at this time. Period. 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 Period with caps. Period. Am I clear? Yes or no? Sevens or nines? I will tell you when they switch to, if any of them do, I'll tell you when they switch to sells. Demo trade only. Okay, now, I do call the sells because some people like to risk their money. Okay? So am I clear? US 30 is still a buy till record highs. And YM1 and that doesn't mean they're not going to be a 30-minute. That's how we make fucking money. The sells, the short-term sells turn into 12-hour buys or 4-hour buys or 2-hour buys, and then it goes back up and we make our money. Grand Rising Solace. Good morning, Crispal Armas. Thank you, Sog. Okay? Now that's what we're talking about here. Now, how do we, because we have a robot, a semi-automatic robot called the KeySpot that tells us when all these turn red, for instance, we know they're going to go right back up and turn green. It shows us this. It shows us the buy stops. And this is a free upgrade from my beautiful wife, Bree, and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer, and you get it free with the sniper. You get it free when you buy that. You have to have this system. But when you spend your $250 a month, you get this free robot that should be thousands of dollars, if not tens of thousands of dollars a month. You guys do realize that I could either be priced like Target, very inexpensively, very cheaply, and trying to help you out at $250 a month, or I could put this at $2,500 a month and have 10 people do it. I don't need hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of you that I have in my system to get this, which we do, and I'm thankful to God. Or I can jack the price up to $5,000 a month and have 5 people use it, which they would pay me and they would use. When I first started this, about 4 years ago this January, going live with you guys on TikTok, when I first started it, I was approached by a guy who was representing some Middle Eastern people who said that we'll pay you to keep your system private. Just trade for us. And I told him, fuck no, I want my system to work for everybody. Oh no, they were willing to pay me, which isn't enough, obviously, but hundreds and thousands of dollars a year just to trade for them. And I told them no. I wanted to get the system out to the public. Now, again, if someone comes along, the federal government says, fuck you, here's 20 mil, you're out of here, I say, that's fine, I'll send you all the code, and you guys can have all the code yourself, and you can keep trading forever. But as it stands right now, I turned down money. I turned down lots of money to keep this price point down low and that the average person can at least attempt to afford it. Y'all should be saying thank God for that, because I didn't have to do that. $250 a month is a good amount of money. I get that. I know it is. For some of you, a shit ton of money. For some of you, not so much. But I try to keep it priced fairly. I put a lot of time and a lot of effort creating this blue line and pink and purple lines. Literally created one of these right out of the... it was so hard. It was crazy. creating this robot for Keith to be able to code the order of operations. You know how fucking hard that is and hard for him to code it? Oh, you shouldn't do that. You shouldn't. Well, fuck out of here. I charge fair amounts, below fair amounts, trying to help each and every one of you out. And I still, why does he charge? Why does he charge? Why does he charge? Buy stop. What is this? NQ1? No, this is US 30 over here. I see a 1 second. Is this a 1 second buy stop? Must be dipping down right now is what you're seeing. You'll see these turn to red probably if this is a good dip. Anywho, I digressed. You priced the course and the sniper well worth the money, not saying enough, Kev. You way over deliver on your efforts and dedications. Can't thank you enough. Thank you, Sam K. Correct, Martin Lewis. They are just short term. Oh, yeah, Sam K. I have paid way more. Me and my brother paid $2,500 each way back in the day. I wish I remember that guy's name. I should call him out for being a scammer. We paid $5,000 up front for a gold bot that never made one trade. $5,000 fucking dollars up front for a robot, a gold robot that never made one trade. Good morning, Eric Carr. What's up, Eric? I hope you have a lot more thumbs up than 29. Let me see what we got. You know it's over. You know it's over. Great morning, Eric. All right, let's go. I called out what I called out. I didn't stutter. I told you exactly where US 30, YM1, NAS, and NQ1, and SPX, and ES1 are going. Good morning, Stacy Ocho. Gold. Let's go over gold. Anytime you see us dip in gold, my goodness, you need to take advantage of that. Gold is getting completely overpriced. But it is what it is. Gold. It's a short-term sell, 10-second sell. Gold is going to go back up. This is crazy. Buy stop, 6 minute. Take profit, $3,658. Fuck me. Damn, gold, does it ever end? This is ridiculous. Gold, $3,660 on a 1 hour buy stop. Gold. It's just crazy. I don't know what to say. It's totally overvalued. I don't know what to say. The daily buy stop that my system called out. Look at this. How fucking fantastic easy this is. Green, 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 red buy stop. Green, 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 red buy. Is this clear enough for you guys here? Let me zoom in some more. No one can deny what you are seeing right here. If you attempt to deny this, you're a liar, and you're a liar to yourself. This right here, up it went. This right here, up it went. It was a triple bottom. This right here, up it went. And there it is. All of them. I told you it was going to go past this right here. I told you it was going to go past this previous record high to a new record high. It did this. Green, 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 red, buy stop. There it is. You can't deny what you're seeing. And this was a daily, weekly buy stop. And it's still going, by the way. It's just starting. Let me be clear on this. Gold is still going to go to record highs. How do I know? I'll teach you. I'll teach you in seconds. Watch. Well, give me a minute or two. I've been calling gold for, this is a day. Damn, this one broker took my one account and I can't get back in it. I don't want to talk about it. All right, look. This is weekly gold right here. This is daily gold. The weekly pink line was low. Pink and purple were low. The blue line was high. You come over here, you can clearly see. Watch this. So fucking cool. Unique to my system. Unique to my system. You will see this pink line right here correspond directly to the blue line right here. What? So when you see this, all you have to remember is blue line high, pink, purple low, blue line, pink crossed. This is your buy stops. Buy stop. And that's it. Green, 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 red. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you don't have the sniper, it's a little more confusing to you. And this is a fill in the gap on the higher time frame. But this is all it looks like. I called this out. That we've been calling out thanks to one of our members, Kim Harrington, and please God heal her up. Kim's been told me about gold years ago, 4 years ago, coming up on. She said gold was the easiest. Gold's the easiest thing to trade ever. It's so simple and so easy. So simple and so easy. And gold we've been calling correctly for years, since January of this year, since September of last year, since the January of the year before, since right now, currently. This is your current gold that I kept telling you for days and days and days and days and months to do a buy stop on gold. It was going to go to record high over and over. And I'm teaching you right now why and how. And now this is how you know how long to hold the gold trade for. You hold your gold trade until what? You hold your gold trade until you know it's over. Until this pink line here on my sniper. I always hold it to 80% and let the runner go the rest of the way. But until this goes up to about 80%, this pink line right here goes to 80. Okay? The pink line goes to 80. So let's see what that means. See, so we're at about 54. We have about till here. Keep taking any buy stop until the pink sniper line goes to 80%. You see how this came up and filled in the gap? It'll do it here too. You see the black space? It's almost touching. The next time this weekly closes, you'll see this green touch. So not only does my system tell you when to get in, right? Green, 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 red, boom, boom, boom. It tells you when to take the trade. It tells you how high the trade will go. And it tells you when not to take a trade. You never take a buy stop when they're up high like this. You just don't do it. See how it peaked right there? You wouldn't take the buy. So my sniper, my system tells you when not to take a trade, when to take the trade, and how high the trade is going to go. Yeah. Some of you, stumbled across the most positive, life-changing live you're ever going to see. I know y'all like to see silly people and cat, videos, and I know y'all like to see girls in bikinis or whatever you like to see. But the reality of it is you don't need to DoorDash. You don't need to Instacart. You should be trading. Gold, you could have made the easiest amount of money from here. Easy. I told you time and time again to do the buy stop. 5 minute. Look at Jesus Blanco. Said 5 minute gold buy stop. Well, I'm sure it is. So I did your explanation on how and why gold is doing what it's doing. You know it's over. Silver is already uncallable. It's already off my charts. So it's as high as I can possibly call anything as silver, but I'm still going to keep calling it. Buy stop silver until it goes over $50 an ounce. Going to a new record high again. Litecoin. I can't give a strong enough buy recommendation to Litecoin, but some of you still will not listen to me, so that's great because demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Litecoin. 10-minute buy stop. Litecoin. 1 hour buy stop. Going to $115. Litecoin. Daily, weekly buy stop. Okay, don't tell me I didn't tell you about Litecoin. Going to $122. Going to $132. Litecoin. Eventually it'll go to $200 Litecoin. Then it will go past $400 Litecoin.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Nike. You know it's over. Sell. Sell Nike to 1 hour, $72. You know it's over. Oh, I love that 12 hour. 12-hour daily buy Nike. I wouldn't touch that sell with a 1,000,000-foot pole. $79 take profit. $83.99 take profit. Nike. Take profit 3, 4, 5, whatever it is. $93.24. I love Nike. Nike. 3-month. Nike. 3-month, 6-month buy stop. I can't speak highly enough of it. It will go to $111. Then it will go up past $176. That's Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Question for someone in the system. Were you able to make the money you paid for the system back in a month? I'll allow that question. Go ahead. Tommy made his money. He made a $10,000 trade within the hour of buying the system. So no, it didn't take him a month. He made it back after he was done with his training. Tommy, he'll come on. I won't give out his last name, but he goes by Kick. He's one of the founders. He's been around, one of the OGs for years. He actually made, I think, an $8,000 trade and a $10,000 trade. He'll come on from time to time. You can ask him within an hour. Some people takes a month. Some people take 6 months. Most people take 3 to 6 months. Some people take a year or two. But there are people like Tommy. What's his name? Who's the other guy? Jay. I won't say Jay's last name, but Jay made a couple $1,000 trade within the first, hour or two also. But that's rare. The vast majority of people take 3 to 6 months to make their money, or longer, a year. I make it look easy. Some people can make it's like learning a new language. Some people learn quickly and some people don't. Told you the sells were coming. Sell stop to the 5-second, 10-second, 15-second, and 30-second blue line for US 30 and YM1. I would never take those sells, but, they're there for you guys. Not today. With my $2,000 account, I make $500 to $2,000 a week. Oh, that answers your question too. Yeah, but no, some people take to this really quick. Rare, but they do. Tommy's an engineer, and I don't know what Jay does, but Tommy's an engineer. I just think engineers have that logical mind. They follow the rules to the T. Tommy doesn't change anything. He just follows what I say, and he just makes his trades. It's quite amazing. Tommy's a fantastic trader. I always say I'm not the best trader in the group. Tommy is. That's what I say. I give him all the credit. He does amazingly well with the system. It's a little unfair advantage for me. I created it. I know all the ins and outs. Tommy picked up on it like it just was a second skin. Amazing. In the money on the 5-second sell to US 30's 5-second blue line. And that's also for YM1 too. A year to make $500. What the fuck? Yeah, I know, Maxim Motors. It's a year to learn. Jay Wynn, is this legit? Gee, I don't know Jay Wynn. Why don't you? Hey, everybody watching on TikTok and YouTube. Jay Wynn asked, is this legit? Jay, this is something for you, Jay Wynn. Everybody that you see in blue with a wrench by their name, Jay Wynn, have been with me a year, 2 years, 3 years, or 4 years. Everybody's name that you see in blue that are moderators, go look through the crowd right now, Jay Wynn. And you're going to see a lot of people that's been with me over a year. Kirk Brown. Well, I don't know about in a month, but since April 2025, I was able to recover over $50,000. Oh, we have a emergency room doctor. I think he allows me to say his name. No. He lost over $700,000 with other systems. He's made over, I won't give you exact numbers. He's made over hundreds of thousands of dollars back with this step-by-step system. Yes. Sally C says, effing yes, it is. Thank you, Sally, for speaking up. All right, everybody, all 50 of you on TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, and Twitch. There's a lot of people. There's probably about 10, 15 people that are scamming right now on YouTube. Speak up. What do they say for my call outs? Because I'm so accurate with my call outs. Speak up now. One of those top 3 rules you have is always thank God. Always do good with your money. And then you have my back. Well, I'm asking you all now to speak up. Is this system, by the way, you're in the money on your 5-second, 10-second sell stops? I'm trading without looking on those charts, by the way, just so we're clear. US 30 sell to the 30-second blue line. YM1 sell stop to the 30-second blue line, demo trade only. No, don't believe me. Keep. What's up, Try Edwards? Everybody, no, I don't think anybody's answering. I'm going to have to leave YouTube. Everybody speak up. Come on. I know we're all tired. Is my system legit? Yes or no? 7s or 9s. I don't care. This isn't fucking playtime. I'm asking you guys a legit question. Speak up. Fuck yes, it is. Fuck no, it isn't. Fuck yes, it's the most amazing system history of the earth. There you go. Do you see the answers now? Do you see the answers now, Jaywin? I have been trading over 30 years. It's true. I get that a lot from experienced traders. Experienced traders can't believe it. Okay, do you see all the answers? Do you see all the answers? Thank you. Dennis has been with me like 4 fucking years, probably from the 2nd month I was operational. Dennis has been with me. Do people stay when something's legit or do they go? People stay when it's legit. Just stick around. You'll see your answers. Thank you. You know it's over. You know it's over. You know it's over. You know it's over. I'm not a very good singer. I'll give you that. I suck at singing. Thank you on TikTok for saying all the 7s and yeses and hell yeses. What's up, John Parker? I would only take buy stops. Let these all go down and then let them flip around. Almost to the tick, says Maxim Motors. Poor Maxim Motors. When people first see me, people, here, let me pull this over, by the way. When people first see me, the reaction is, oh, that's fucking bullshit. There's no fucking way this clown's doing this. He's too loud. He's too obnoxious. He talks too fast. He can't fucking spell a fucking word right. He's full of shit, right? That's when they first hear of me. That's what their reaction is. Then they stick around and go, how the fuck is he making these calls right every day? Look, TikTokers, there you go. Look. This is some guy asked, is this legit? Okay. So let's see. I asked for 7s. Grand Rising, good morning again. Good morning, Janet. And then I asked for 7s or yeses. Good morning, Solace Soul. Sorry if I missed you, Cristobal Armas. Jay Wynn said, is this legit? Well, I don't know about in a month, but I made 50,000. Fuck yes, it is. You don't have to believe me, Jay Wynn. Here's Kirk Brown. Here's Happy Rise. Oh, good morning, Taraya. Gary Ramundo. It absolutely is. Guy Berger, Martin Lewis. If you follow the rules, 100% you have to follow the rules. That's why they're rules. Ken Lauder. And these are all, I make money off it every day. Best system. Yep. Good morning, Matt. What's up, Matt? And this is the response. Only been watching a couple of weeks, but live calls have been right on, almost to the tick. And then they have such a hard time believing it. They're just shocked. Been playing the heck out of NQ. Yep. Motors for years has been the same. Calls are fire. I've never seen a system better than this system. Thank you, Sally C. I agree with that statement. God gets all the glory. I take none of it. I thank him every second of every day. I'm alive and breathing. Right? But then, oopsie. Let's go back to here. Let's pause that one, though. I don't like when it takes up my stuff. All right. And there we go. All right. I got to get back to it. I have to get through these damn calls. I said this yesterday for hours, never got through the calls. Here we go. And I just got done explaining how the trades work. Let me go back over to here and let's finish up. Target. Can't speak highly enough on Target. Target is a 12-hour daily sell. It's going to dip down further as I called. And then, this is the important one. It is a monthly buy stop, 3-month buy stop target. Take profit $114.55, $132, $178, and then it will go above $267. CVS. I don't give a fuck what they're trying to tell you CVS is going to do. I'm telling you exactly what it's going to do. You're looking at a weekly, 3-weekly sell stop. CVS can go as low as $47. I wouldn't play any sells on CVS. I would strictly be looking at the 6-month buy stop. It's already made you a shit. Take profit 1 has been hit. Take profit 2 has been hit. It will go to $80.64, and then it will go past $111. That is CVS.
Demo trade
L.
only. I am not a financial advisor.
L is a 6-month buy stop. Take profit $100, $150, $230, my favorite, and $361. And if Kim, if you can please mark down to make sure when I say my favorite, they see that clearly.
Demo trade only. I am
If you
not
could, please.
a
Kim
financial advisor.
tracks every one of our trades. She's amazing. She does it manually. We do it computerized and manually. This is Verizon. Take profit 1, 2. It's going right back to $47.07. My favorite take profit is $54 and
Demo trade
62
only.
cents.
I am not a financial advisor.
Then it will go past $62.37. That's Verizon. SMCI. SMCI. SMCI will be going back to $49.04. So it'll be going back to $57.74. My favorite take profit for SMCI is $70.26. And then it will go over $120. That's SM.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
What's up, D Booker? Starbucks. I basically only trade Starbucks for my wife, Precious. Starbucks. I don't give a fuck. It is a daily, weekly sell. I see that. I'm not blind. You guys can take this sell if you want. Starbucks is just setting up for a bigger buy. See, it's turned out to be nice. 3-month buy stop. Target is going back to $89. I love the $96.99.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
And then
advisor.
Starbucks will go past $120. Okay? And that is Starbucks. Flow. Flow is 3 months, 6 months, 6-month buy stop. Flow, I love it. Love the $16, $18. It'll go back to $23 and eventually past $28. Follow it down.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
6-month, 12-month buy stop for Oxy. $50, $61, $81, and eventually over $105.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, Tank Dog. TM. I mean, it's hit all these. I don't know. We're doing really good with this one. There you go. We'll look at this as a monthly buy stop. I mean, it's done. It went right back up to where I told you it was going. It's there. Maybe 205. And then TM will go to above 250.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ASML, love the trade. It's going to go right back to $824. It's going to go to $873.94, my favorite. And then it will go to $1,100. Thank God.
Demo trade only.
AT&T.
I am not a financial
Now you're
advisor.
getting into what I call closed trades. AT&T has hit every take profit I've ever called out and then some. But I'm still going to call it just because I like AT&T. So what we're going to call an AT&T is, trying to see why this is a little bit off. There we go. AT&T is going back to $33.77. Then it's going to go to $43.65. That's AT&T.
Demo trade only.
Bitcoin.
I am
I've
not
been calling
a financial
Bitcoin
advisor.
correctly since 3/8/2023 when it was at $26,500. It is completely off the charts. I'm not saying it's done going up by any range or any meaning, but it will go back to record highs. It will go over 125,000. I'm calling it for to go over 130,000, but not based on Bitcoin. It's done. It's done everything I've asked it to do. Ethereum is another one, completely done. It's done everything I've asked it to do, but it will go back over 5,000. XRP is a 100% completed trade, meaning I was 100% right 100% of the time on XRP. I've been calling it since it was 31 cents. It went up to over $3.10, 10 bagger, actually well over that. You would have made 1,000% return on your money with me with XRP. You're looking at it to go back over $3.62 for XRP.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
XLM, 100% closed, been 100% right on it. It will go above 46 cents again. Amazon, I don't
Demo
care.
trade only.
I love
am not
Amazon.
financial
If I had
advisor.
one favorite stock, it's Amazon. I've been calling it since $91 a share. It'll go back up over $242. I don't give a fuck what my system says. I don't give a fuck what price earnings are. I don't give a fuck what the technicals are. I just personally buy Amazon. I love Amazon. Now, Netflix. Netflix is so overvalued, it's crazy. And I said I would never call it again, but it will go over $13.26. I just would never trade Netflix again.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
NVIDIA. NVIDIA is, I mean, it's a closed trade. It's done everything I've ever wanted it to do. It's a nice little buy to $183.53, but I've been 100% accurate on NVIDIA 100% of the time.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
J&J, I mean, what more can I ask for? I made thousands of dollars on my options. $180.53. It's going to go back up to, but it's done every take profit I've ever asked for J&J, ever asked. I love J&J. It was the easiest trade. It's not even close to done. I would take any 30-minute buy stop on J&J until this pink line goes up to 80%. Then I would stop.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
AMD. Love the trade. It's going to reset here a little bit and come back down. Daily sell. Take profit AMD at 158, 167, and 175, and eventually it will go over 185. That's AMD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Costco
advisor.
is a 12-hour daily sell stop. You'll see it goes somewhere in the range of $941. I don't care. It's just giving us, I would never touch that. It's a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. That's where I would hang out with this. It's going to go to $1,000 and then $1,100, Costco.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
McDonald's. Mickey D's. Shitty ass fucking food. You couldn't ask for worse food. They need to get off the damn fucking seed oils. Start using the right, but I don't care. It's a 9-hour buy stop. It's another one I called 100% correctly for years. It'll go back to $314.74.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
Microsoft.
advisor.
It is a 10-hour, 12-hour sell stop. I don't care. Microsoft is just setting up for a beautiful weekly buy. Just daily, weekly buy. I love this trade. Microsoft will go back to $520. And then it will go over $550, Microsoft.
Demo trade only.
Hilton.
I am not a financial
Hilton
advisor.
is another closed trade. It was called out, but correctly by me and by the signal service that I have. Hilton is a weekly. Hold on, I can get you a little better. Told you about those sells, the 30-second blue line for US 30. You're in the money on those. I'm not even looking at the fucking charts, and I'm calling them correctly for you. I wouldn't take those sells, by the way, but they're there. Hilton is just 100% accurate trade, 100% correctly called. There's nothing more we can call for Hilton. I mean, it's where Hilton's at. I would take, would I take that? Let me see. No. I wouldn't trade Hilton right now. It's done what I needed to do. It's done.
Demo trade only. I am not a
Google.
financial advisor.
Google has done everything. My system, I have a signal service. Let me be clear. The signal service is $275 a month. It is the best signal service on earth. If you go in here, you will go down here and you will go back and you will see signals on these 30-minute ones. For Google and for Hilton, you'll see these over and over again. You'll see entry, entry, entry. I did this the last time I checked. Every signal in this room, there was over 39 of them, was 100% accurate. 100%. Every one of these signals turned out to make just shit tons of money, demo money. There it is. There it is. There it is. Every one of these signals was accurate. Google was one of them. We were calling Google down here. We were calling Google down here just this year. Told you it was a buy stop. Told you it was a fucking buy stop. I told you it was a weekly buy stop. I told you it was going to 194. I told you, and it's not just don't take my word for it. We have the signals locked in, unchangeable. There's no changing anything on a Discord message. Then you come over to here and you have our callouts. The great Kim, Candle Envy Lady, she takes all my callouts and put them here. So every time I made a call that ever had anything to do with a lot of symbols, let me see if I can find one. That ain't one. Too small, too small. No, this might be one. You'll see me call out these, and you'll see Google in here. Where's Google? Oh, I think she alphabetized them now. I still don't see it. EF. Where the fuck's Google? How did I miss Google? There's no way I didn't call Google. Hold on. That is tiny. Oh, you know what? Google is one of my closed trades from earlier. Fuck. I hope she added them on over here. Hold. She has to have them in here, though. I know she does. Yeah, otherwise we have to go way back to find them. And I'll do it if I need to, but I don't really want to do that. Google, there it is. Yeah, I'll take profits hit. Oh, shit. Well, that's fine. Yeah, that was my bad. But Google's been called out for a year and a half now, 100% accurate. Nothing left to call on Google. I wouldn't. Let me see if I would touch this with a 3-foot pole. No. Google's done. I wouldn't trade it anymore.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial
You can
advisor.
clearly see since November 5th, in which I can go back to November 5th. Apple is, yeesh, it's off the charts. I don't think I would trade it. Let me see. Oh, there's a little something right there. We have a weekly, 3-weekly buy stop. Has it hit everything I wanted it to hit, though? Let me see. Yes. Apple has hit take profit 1, take profit 2, the orange line. Apple would be going to $256.68. Apple is considered a closed trade, been 100% right on it on every call made. Tesla is also a closed trade, but I'm going to keep calling it because I love it and I want Elon to throw me a billy. Tax-free, by the way. $365.39, and then it will be going to $400, and then it will go over $470. United Healthcare, I don't give a shit how shitty the company is. It is an amazing 3-month buy stop. I love United. It's going to 353, 397, 496.62 is my favorite, and then it will go over $625 for United.
Demo trade only. I am not
NVO. Let me see what it's doing down here. 5 hour buy. Let me see. Is that going to go to a 10-hour sell? 10-hour sell. Damn. 10-hour sell, 12-hour sell, 12-hour sell daily. 10-hour, 12-hour daily sell. Fuck me. NVO, $45 on a sell daily. But after that, oh, that's where it's going. Fuck. Really? Damn. Sell to $39. $39 for NVO. But after that, 3-month buy stop. $63.72, $94.72, $141.86.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
QCOM has turned into one of my little favorites. It's a little darling. Let's see if we can get this one good. 10 hours. Love it. 12 hours. Love it daily. Already passed it. Okay. QCOM. Qualcomm is a monthly buy stop. Qualcomm has already hit take profit 1, 2. It's going to go to $167.77. That's my favorite. Then it will go over $225.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Disney, also another one of my favorites. Disney still has a, I don't know, 10-hour buy. Daily buy. Love this for Disney. Take profit, $121. 3 months. $147.88. $186.46 is Disney. Intel. And I know no one buys Intel chips anymore. Huh? Fuck their chips. I'd buy the stock. It's fantastic. I don't give a fuck what anyone's telling you. All other, whoever's out there doing any kind of bullshit telling you not to buy Intel is a moron. They're completely 100% wrong. And I've been trading Intel, by the way. I had to expand my trading thing. I always said it was like 12 years I've been trading. That's just recently. No, I've been trading since 1991, so 34 years. Oh my God. I have accounts at what's the stupid Thinkorswim with I don't even know who has them anymore. Merrill, I don't know who the fuck bought them. But I have an account with them for over 30 years. People that look at that account go, "You have an account older than I am," because they're so young, doing that shit over there. Anywho, Intel, take profit. Yeah, it's just going to go straight up. Take profit, $30. Take profit, $36. I love $47 for Intel. Then it will go past $69. That's Intel.
Demo trade only.
Match.
I am not a financial
I don't know what Match
advisor.
is doing, but damn, it's helping out with my options I bought the other day. Match is doing fantastic. Look at this. Match is a 12-hour buy stop to the blue line, $41.07. Match is a buy stop to the, I told you, when there are buy stops on the 10, 12 daily to the blue line, just back up your Brinks truck. I know I'm going to make a shit ton of money on those options. Match, $49.87. Take profit on the daily. Match, weekly. 3 weekly. Ah, fuck. Sell to the $29 mark. Monthly, 3 month, 6 month. Oh, this is fantastic. 6 month buy stop match to $50.91 to $91. I love Mitch.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
12 hour nothing. Daily sell to the fuck. FedEx, 179.27 sell weekly. I wouldn't touch that with a 100-foot pole. I'd only looking for FedEx to be a 3-week buy. Take profit, $242. Take profit, $255. I love that as my favorite take profit, and we'll go over $300. FedEx.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
P&G. Yeah, I was liking this down here. Oh, fuck me. Hold on. Where is it going to go to? 12 hour? No. It is a daily sell, $154 sell. I'm not touching that with a 1,000,000-foot pole. I love this 3-week monthly buy stop. Love P&G. Take profit, 163. Take profit, 167.18. Take profit, 179.76 for P&G.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Okay. Next. EQIX. Let's see what we got here. Daily sell. I'd tell you 9-hour sell, 12-hour sell. To here, it just hit it. So I must have called this. $764. I wouldn't play that. I'd be strictly looking for a monthly buy stop. Take profit one, $779, $818. I love $872. And the take profit that will eventually go to is $970.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Let's see what we see down here. Sell 4 hour. Yeah, a little bit. 7 hour. 12 hour. Weekly. Oh, can it get that low? It could possibly. Yeah, it can go down to $16 JHX on a weekly sell. It's a much better three-month buy. Love it. $21.68 to take profit, $25.28, $31.55. Love it. $41.42.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
The absolutely worst named company in the history. There it is. 12-hour sell stop to the blue line has been hit or close enough. It's going to go down to $95, $96. It is a daily. Yep, it might even go all the way down here. It's going down. And stock called ED is going down.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
$93.94 for ED, but I wouldn't touch that. It's going to rocket and go erectly up. It's going to go to $98. It's going to go to $100. It's going to go to $101. It's going to go to $106. It's going to go to $112. That's ED. I got to take that one off. It's a nice little buy here on the weekly, 3 weekly. I don't know. It's just too funny. All right, fine. I'll keep it. Yeah, that's fine. All right. And that, ERUSD. One of my members loves ERUSD. There's so many better currency pairs out there, Forex pairs out there. Let's see. EURUSD. What is it doing? Sell. 1 minute sell to 1.17294. Let's see if the 15-minute is a sell. No. Let's go to the 1 hour. 1 hour buy. This is what it's setting up for. 1 hour buy, take profit 1.17644 and then 1.17795. Let's go up to the real magic. Daily, weekly. Let's see where that weekly is. It is a daily, weekly buy stop. It'll be going back to 1.17830. It'll be going back to 1.18525. Then eventually to 1.20, and that is EURUSD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
ED is limp. Have a great day. Need to run. You too, Zilla. Have a great day. Zilla, have a great day and enjoy it. What's up, Maxim Motors? ED is limp. Yes, it was on the 12-hour, but it's going to go up after that. John Parker says laughter out loud. Okay, guys. All right. Does anybody have any other symbols you want me to call out for you? What time is it? Oh, wait, I got my alarm set. Hold on. Let me get, wrong thing. Let me get my alarm set, shall we? We need our alarm set for the morning, 9:20. Where the hell's my alarms? There it is. Boop. 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 Boop, 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 boop. There we go. All right. Does anybody have any symbols you want me to check for you? Any symbols at all, I will check for you. Who is this? Matt says, I'm guessing, is that GME? Let's check GME for Matt. GME, it's out of sight. Is that GameStop? It is GameStop. GameStop cracks me the fuck up. Okay, we were calling this back in December of last year. Let me get that out of the way a little. All right, this is GameStop. We've called it before. It is a 12-hour daily sell stop to $22.20. It is a weekly. It is a 3 weekly. It is a monthly. Let's keep going here. Yeah. It's actually, how the fuck has GameStop pulled this shit out of their ass? I know what they're doing over there at Robinhood or wherever they're at. I forgot which group is fucking with these people, but the 12-month is a little too high. The 6 months is a little too high. The 3-month is perfect. Oh my God, they're going to do it to again. Okay. So whoever has this GameStop shit, I called this, by the way, when it went up to there. Yeah. Oh my God, they're going to do it to him again. GameStop, there is a sell, 12-hour sell, I already called it. But I wouldn't touch that. I'd be looking at this monthly, 3-monthly buy stop on GameStop. $40. This is going to kill so many people. I let me know when this hits $40.92 so that I can watch all the big money who has all their money tied up on shorting this stock. And I guess the average American dude, whatever that group was, went against them. Oh my God, I'm laughing so hard. 42, it's going to hit that. It's going to hit that. It's going to hit that. It's going to dip a little first, then hit that. Oh, fuck me. Oh, that's funny. I'm going to call it. You want to hear something I'm going to call just for shits and giggles? I don't know if this one's going to be, how many close do we have to here, to here, to here? $28. Does it go to here? It's going to go to $50 again. I'm going to say this just so I can help it make it come true for them. All right, whoever you people are out there, I think you're funny and I think it's great and I'm glad you're sticking it to the man. GameStop, monthly buy. This is after the 12-hour sell. Monthly buy, $30. Monthly buy, $41.51. That's my favorite take profit for GameStop, but I'm not stopping there. Get the pun. $56, $78. I'm going to call GameStop to over $120. That's going to kill the shorters. But this is what's going to happen first. Let me draw this out for you guys so you don't get confused. System down, system up, system down, and then it will come up. It's going to take a minute. I don't see it going to that record high like in a month. I'm thinking it's going to take several months. It's got to go month, down. Then it's going to come month, back up. And that's what I see. Gosh, I hope that comes true. I'm kind of pushing that call, but fuck it. If I can speak that into reality and help get that into reality, I'm going to do it. Buy stop, GameStop.
Demo trade
To those
only.
numbers I told you.
Not a financial advisor.
Does that help you, Matt? Matt's laughing. Alan Bailey, PLTR. Is that Palantir? Gold. I already called out gold. You must have missed it. Asus Blanco. It's a buy. Check your GBB. Thanks in advance. Oh, GBB, JPB. Let's see. I haven't looked at that one in forever. Did I call it wrong or did I call it good? I know I called it good. GPB, JPY. Is that the one he's talking about? Yep. There we go. Owanda. I always use Owanda. GPP. There you go. And that's a great one to trade. Much better than ERUSD, JPB, GPB, whatever the hell that is. I'm sure this was some kind of weekly. Yep, there it is. Weekly. Did I call a weekly on that, Flacco? Weekly, 3 weekly buy stop, and it's not done. GPB, JPY is an amazing. It's very easy to trade. It's like gold. You can trade GBB, JPY, and yes, you can trade it at 0.01, and yes, you can get on pennies with that thing. You can literally trade, I don't know what it is, like 20 cents or 50 cents. It's dirt fucking cheap, but you'll make a good amount of money. It's way better than ERUSD to trade. And here's some good news for you. Buy stop, take profit 201.174. Take profit 207.213. Flacco, are you happy with my JPB, whatever the fuck symbol that is? GBB, JPY, they call it GJ is what they call it. I don't ever say that because I like calling out the whole thing. And that's where it's going. And that was a clear green, red, buy stop, green, red, green, buy stop. It's going to go up past this previous high.
Demo trade only. I am not.
Let's go to
a financial
Palantir.
advisor.
Yeah, name one that I've been wrong on. Not to say I just give God all the glory, but it doesn't happen. Not long term. There's no fucking way it happens long term. Zero possibility. Palantir. We were calling Palantir back on 12/2, February. Should have listened to me on the buys. On 12/2/24, I told you to buy in. On 12/2/24, I told you to buy in. On 12/2/2024, I told you to buy in. On 12/2, right here, I told you to buy Palantir. You can't deny it. May God continue to bless you, Keith, and everyone. Thank you, Flacco. And Flacco, do you own the system? I hope you do. If not, please buy it and support me. Support my beautiful wife. Support us getting the word out of the system to everybody in the world. On 12/2, gee, guys, I called you in on Palantir at what, 65? I have no idea when this was. 64, $65 a share. I called in Palantir in December of last year, or this looks like November. Of November, oh, it was November 11th, 5. On November 5th, I called in Palantir as a buy. Now you guys are asking me to trade Palantir now, and I'll give you a trade, but you should have had my system. You should have been listening to me back there. You should have shitted yourself and listened. You would have 300% your money, demo trade only.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
And there you go. There you go. Hey, Matt, why don't you tell everybody at GameStop to buy my system? GameStop, at that whatever. I forgot who they were. Was it Robinhood? Some fucking group was calling that shit. You're welcome, Eric R. You have a great day. Blessed day. All right, now listen. I'm going to give you another buy on Palantir. PLTR. Buy stop. Palantir, take profit $164.15. Then it will go to $176.78, my favorite. And then it will go over $190.
Demo trade only.
But you should have listened to me when I was calling it at $65 back in November. Okay? So you're a day late and $1 short. It's still going to go up, but you should have and could have listened to my call out back in November. And you should have and could have bought the system by then. You could have got in here. You could have got in here on this buy stop, and then the current one you're currently at. Now, how I was able to call it out before? Well, I've mastered the system. I do what I do on a daily basis. I know where all this shit's going, but let me show you something. Let me just show you for those of you who have really hard learning skills. In my system, green means up, red means down, green means up, red means down, green means up. Anybody out there would like to tell me what that little, oh, they dicked you. This is a daily. This is highly unusual for them to do this. Okay. Now listen to me. Your guys are about to have your minds blown. This is called a W, correct? A double bottom. This is a W. You can clearly see. You can see it on my blues. You can see it on the pinks. You can see it if you just draw out your little price action. You'll see the W. This right here on Palantir is the safety trade. Some of you are so confused on what a safety trade is. This is a daily safety trade. And if I go down to like the 4-hour, 7-hour time frame, you're going to see a buy stop right here. Right here is the safety trade. Don't make any mistakes about it. This is your entry on the safety trade for your daily. I'm going to explain it to you because you guys are all going to go, what the fuck is he talking about? I talked about this the other day, but this is what it looks like, okay? This is your buy stop. Pink crossed the blue. Most important indicator in the history of the world. Second time it came up right here. That's your double bottom. This is what it looks like here. Sniper is the most important indicator ever made. This is it. This is number one, right? Boom. Then you have your fill in the gap on the other ones. Then you come up to your buy stop and your W. This is right here, the safety trade. You caught Palantir at $54. I know for a fact because I bought $500 and still running. Mr. Gold, $54, not $65. Thank you, Mr. Gold, for speaking up. Mr. Gold is retired by using the system, by the way. For all of you out there, there's a couple, well, there's 100 something of you on all the different things now. Good morning, Dad Bod, Hot Rod. Good morning, Eric R. Thank you, Jesus, for letting me know about gold. I know you called it. Thank you, Mr. Gold, for speaking up. How many of you here know sell stop? I told you the sell stop for US 30 and YM1 to the 30-second blue line, and there it is. But don't trade that. It's going to go back up here in a little bit. Don't take that. Now listen, where that pullback is right here. You see that little hook there on the W? Right there? That is where a buy stop is. So this is your daily buy stop, right? Say you missed all of this and you missed the buy and you missed the entry. You can go down to here and let me show you. Let me show you how cool this fucking system is. April 21st, 2025. April, we're looking at, hold on, let me get over here. April-ish, it doesn't have to be exact, it'll be around there. There we go. Let's go to April 1st, 2025. Okay. Now, April 1st, 2025, there is your daily buy stop. So we're inside of a daily buy stop. Okay. You can clearly see we're on PLTR daily. Everyone knows my system. Green, get in the orange, take your buy. This is the safety trade off the daily. Everyone follow me? Yeses and sevens for yeses. Damn, I only got a few minutes to explain this. Come on, peeps. Sevens and yeses that you understand this was a buy stop. Our logo is then formed right here. It started underneath with our logo. It came up, hooked, came back down, and this is the bull's green up arrow. Okay? This is off of our W right here. This is off of the W right here. This is off of the blue and other W. Okay, so now inside, okay, good, we got some sevens. Let's go. So inside of this, watch what happens. Where there's the daily buy stop, total safety, a 99% accurate trade. Let me see if we can go down to maybe 7 hour. Okay, let's go over to here. Let's go to that time. Nope, got to go lower. Let's go to the 4 hour. No, we got to go lower. Let's go down to the 2 hour. I'm really surprised about that 4 hour. Okay, there it is. Okay, the exact same time, listen to me. Where this was, that same little reddish, I don't know what color that line is a 2 hour buy stop, maybe even a 3 hour. Hold on. Maybe we can get a 3 hour too, it looks like. No, it is a 2 hour. So it's a 2 hour buy stop. Right, green, red, pink cross the blue, buy stop. Inside of the daily logo pullback. See the line? This line stays the same wherever you're going. Some of you are still, you don't know that, but it stays the same. So if, say, you missed the whole entire daily up right here, you should have got in at the orange, you missed the whole thing. It pulled back, formed the 2 hour, right? The 2 hour buy stop right here. Well, guess what happens? When you miss that 2 hour buy stop, look what happens. Look at this shit. This is your W right there. It goes like that. Look, this right here. See that hook right there? That's our logo again. This right here is going to be a 2 hour, maybe a 5 minute buy stop right here. And you will go back to the 5 minute. So we're inside of a daily buy, inside of a 2 hour buy. And let's go down to 5 minutes and see what happens. I don't know. Oh, I didn't put that time period in. Well, it'll be close enough. No, it won't. So let me go back to 2 hour. Hold on. Let me go back to this trade and then we'll go back down again. It's just fucking amazing. Fucking amazing. What day is this? This is April 24th at 11. April 24th at 11. Watch this shit. Just watch how fucking amazing this system is. Just watch this. And tell me that God doesn't have his hand in this system. Fucking incredible. Oh, 10 minute. It's still a buy, just a little bit higher up. There we go. 10 minute. We can probably even go. Can we get a 15 minute out of that? I don't know. Let's see. You always want to go to the high. There it is. Oh my God, how beautiful. All right. So we have the daily buy. Then we have our 2-hour buy. And now we have our 15-minute buy stop. And now we have our 15 green, green, pink cross the blue, green, 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 red, green, green buy stop. So you have a safety trade in the daily. And then you have a 2-hour safety trade inside of that safety trade. Then you have a 15-minute safety trade inside of the 2-hour safety trade inside of this daily safety trade. Each one making your trade safer and safer and fucking safer. 10 minutes to market open. Does everybody understand what I just showed you? I should see some mind blown emojis. I know some of you have seen that before, but it still blows my mind. Yes, it does it again. Yes, we can go back to here. Here's a 15-minute one here that will also call. And then there's another 15. You can go down to here if you go down to like these levels here for the hook right here. I can go down to the 1 minute. I can go down to the 15-second. I can say right here, right there, that's our logo again. You see it hook up, come over, hook back up. We're out of the red. This is our logo. Your mind should be blown. You said there's no fucking way the system can be this accurate. Oh, but it is. April 24th, 2025. What time was that? April 24th. Oops, same day. So let's see what time that is. There'll be a 1 minute, 30-second buy stop, 3-minute buy stop in here, 16:15. Watch. Let's go to 16:15, same day. And now you have a safety trade. I'm calling out trades, days, months, years. Look at this shit. Watch this shit. Oh, I don't know if it can go that far back. It can't go that far. But let me try a 3-minute. It can maybe do a 3-minute. I forgot. Stupid ass fucking ass trading view with their limits. Fucking cock sucks. Yeah, it's not going to let me. Maybe a 2-minute. It might let me go back far enough. It's definitely a 1-minute buy. They just don't give me enough history to see it. Maybe 2 minutes they will. Nope, not enough history. They're little fucktards. Well, at any rate, it's a buy. And you would have a daily buy. You'd have a 2-hour buy. You'd have a 15-minute buy. And then you'd have a 1-minute buy. All safety trades within safety trades. What's up, Pay Dude? Good morning, Pay Dude. Isn't that fucking cool? Isn't that cool? Fire. Yeah, I agree with that. What's up, Auntie? Welcome to the channel. So yeah, safety trades within safety trades within safety trades. I don't think it gets any better. I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, look at this. And then you have this one. And then you go up to here to your 2-hour. There's your buy stop. So if you keep missing the trade, just wait for our logo to come back and wait for the faster time frame in. That's all you have to do. Fucking amazing system. And by the way, here's something wild for y'all. Something fucking wild for y'all. 7 minutes to market open. 7 minutes to market open. When you see the pullback here, watch this. When you see the pullback here, this is nothing more than a buy stop, right? So if this is a daily buy and we have a pullback here. Oh, hold on. I got to put that day in. Watch this shit. July 2nd, 2025. July 2nd. Boop, boop. Okay, let's go down to there. It's going to be right around there anyways. And there it is. There's your buy stop on the 12-hour. So your daily 12-hour buy stop. That's how I form those, how I tell you what they are. And there's your 12-hour. Whenever you see that gap and that refill in, now look right here. You're going to see right here on this gap, right there. Right there. We can go back down now from the 12-hour, let's say a 2 hour. Let me see what time this is. August the 1st, 2300. August the 1st, 2300. And there we go. Okay, and let's go back to 2 hour, 1 hour, somewhere around there. There it is. There's your buy stop. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Boom. Up she went. Enter off your orange line. And there you go. I don't know. Is that not fucking cool as fuck? All right. How many people are watching on YouTube? 51. How many thumbs up do I have? 58. Oh, we're staying. Great job on your thumbs up on YouTube. Awesome job. Okay. I just thought that was, when it works, it works. Crazy. Must rewatch this. There's Michelle Galinsky. Good, Michelle. I'm glad I'm reaching you. Yay. I just think this is so much fun. We can do this all day long. So now you see our logo is so important. This is our logo right here. And then I got to get back to trading, you guys. Right here at safetytrade.com. This little cool looking bull. This fucking cool looking bull. With the green. Hey, speaking of that, hold on a second. Do I have time to look? Hold on one second. I want to show you something so cool. Oopsie. Nope, nope. Don't look in there. Let's go over here. Let's go to pictures. Let me see. Yeah. This is great. It's the Key J. Palmer, part of our team now. This is so cool. He made this thing. I just think it's so fucking cool. Watch. Oh. No, no, no. Stop again. Hold on. So anyway, that green logo thingy on the back, the arrow, it actually is our logo, is what we trade on these buys. I don't teach it anymore because too many of you were just too slow with that and I couldn't deal with it. And I'm not dealing with it. But yeah, that cool looking. Look at that thing. Thank you, KJ. Fucking cool as shit. He animated it. Any rate, you can go over here by the system, blah, blah, blah. All right. But these lines I'm drawing in are nothing more than just your logo lines. That's all they are. 3 minutes to market open. Fuck. All right, we had our nice pullback. Let's go over to our charts. 10-minute, don't care. Buy stop. All indices at open. Buy stop. All indices at open. Buy stop. To the 1 second blue line. Buy stop. Buys. Come on, pull in. I can't even see it. Come on. Cheating at. Buy stop to the 5 second blue line. All indices. All indices. Buy stop. I don't give a fuck if it keeps going down. Follow it down and make us more money later. Buy stop. You're going to see NAS hit it right now. To the 5 second blue line. Look at it go up. You still have time. Buy stop on SPX and ES1. Buy stop on ES1, SPX to the blue line. Fuck it. Let's play some jams while we trade these 3 minutes. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Here we go. Touchdown, NAS to the 5 second blue line. Touchdown, NQ1 to the 5 second blue line. You still have time for SPX and ES1 to the blue line. Let's go. Ricochet back to the 5 second blue line for NQ1. Buy stop to the 5 second, well, the previous high. And to come on, here we go. Here we go. Take this money and run, peeps. Take this money. Take this. Oh, my. They're giving away free money. Buy stop back to the blue line. Buy stop to the blue line. Buy stop back to here. Back to here. Back to there. Back to here. There we go. Let's have some money. What's your emergency? Woo! We hit it. Take profit on NQ1 has been hit. It's going to do it again on NAS. NAS will do this again. It's going to hook, come back over. This gap will fill in right here. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. Do not trade. Lock in your profits. Don't trade market open. We're touchdown again. Touchdown again. Naz in the money again. Naz in the money again. Touchdown as I called out, drew out, told you where it was going before it's going to happen. Woo! There goes Naz. Told you. It's over. The trade system. There you go. You too can learn how to trade like this every fucking day. Every fucking day. Same wins. Thank you, God. Thank you, God. Free money on SPX and ES1. Free money on SPX and ES1. Boom. It's going to dip down again. It's going to dip down. Pink will come down. Price will come down with it. Then it will hook and come back up. Boom. Market open in less than a minute. Do not play market open. Do not play market open. If you are, there you go. There you go. Boom. Wait patient. They have touchdown. Touchdown. ES1 to the blue line. You're welcome. Look at Naz go up to the roof. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at Naz. Look at Naz, motherfuckers. Look at Naz. Where are my haters at now? Look at ES1. Look at SPX. Oh, my God. Touchdown, touchdown, touchdown. Fuck yeah. Buy the system. I'm out of here. Listen to that money go. Look at that. Buy the system. TheSafetyTrade.com. Buy the system. Buy the system. Good morning, Jake. Oh, my, what a wonderful morning, Sub-Zero. What a wonderful morning. Oh, my God. Over. It's over. It's over. It's over. Listen to that money rock. Anybody happy here? All right, we're out of here. Got to go. Bye, TikTokers. See y'all. That was fun. Buy the system, peeps. Buy the system. All right, TikTokers are gone. YouTubers, I got to go. That was fun. I'm leaving you with the thought of buy stops, all indices. Buy the system. Wow, this is so much fun. Look, touchdown again for ES1. Free money. I told you it was free money. I told you it was free money. US 30 in the money. YM1 in the money. NAS in the money. NQ1 in the money. I better see a lot of thank you gods up here. Look at all those correct calls dinging in, ringing in. Woohoo! Buy the system, peeps. Buy it right there. Damn, that is too cool. That is too fucking cool. Nice, Matt. Nice, Jesus. That's all? Just two of you? Really? No one else saying thank you for those call-outs? No one else saying thank you for that training? Got the cipher. You haven't got the safety trade system. Bam, baby. You're loaded. Nice. You're welcome, Alan. You're welcome, Persistent. It's over. All right, guys. Gotta run. God bless. That was fun. What a great morning. God, if that doesn't wake some fucking people up, what will? Oh my God, that was fun.